I was gifted this gorgeous and very comfortable office chair. So let's take some close-up looks and learn a little more about it.
This is so gorgeous that you can use this in your living room or as additional seating if you're having a party. Just pull it out of the office. It is that pretty. What I love about this is that it is so versatile. So it is a great chair for working all day. It's super comfortable. You have high density foam, silent casters, and you have so many adjustable features. So you can raise the chair and lower the height depending on the person using it. It spins beautifully and moves just amazingly well. So, this is so great too because if you get tired during the day, you can lounge a little bit. It moves back, and you can also lock that into place. The armrests are removable, which is great. This feels like leather, but it is synthetic. And you have the really soft, cushiony foam, but yet it is thick and sturdy. So it's great support. The armrests are also cushioned, which makes it extra nice. The controls are simple, very basic. And I love that you have this very sturdy metal frame and you also have the wheels that are rubber, really nice construction, and you can adjust the tension here. So it's so easy to put together. Let's look at that next. But I just think it's so gorgeous and so comfortable. So, with anything, take everything out of the package, throw everything away, and then you can see it is really not that many pieces. So much easier. Put the wheels on first, they just pop in, and then we are going to assemble the seat next. So we're going to put that little piece on and then attach all of this to the back of the seat. Next, you are going to attach the back to the seat. It slides in there, and then you are going to attach it with a bunch of the screws. And I did forget to mention that you put the middle pole in. You can see it there on the left onto the base. And then you just pop the seat onto the base, and you are all set. I really am loving this chair. It's gorgeous, it's comfortable, and easy to put together. Check it out.